Number 3 is FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that can bring your action figure ideas to life quickly and easily, then the FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer is worth checking out. With a printing speed 400% faster than industry standards and a larger print size, you can make your action figures in no time. One of the standout features of this printer is its detachable PEI spring steel platform, which makes the first printing layer more solidly adhered and easy to take off the model. And with the hotbed capable of reaching temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius, you can print various materials, including PLA, PETG, wood, ABS, PC, and TPU. Another great feature is the direct extruder, which uses an ultralight short-range design that can extrude with a force of up to 70 N. The throat also uses a bimetal structure that can handle high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius. The FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer comes pre-installed with full Klipper firmware, making it easy and fun to use right out of the box. Plus, with its 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen, you'll have a clear view of your action figures taking shape. So if you want to purchase this 3D printer, check the link in the description box below.